What happened? You shut the gate? Move back. Move. 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 All right, leave the gate alone. Now you can go. Hurry. You didn't want in, you just wanted the gate shut, didn't you? You ain't coming in here. Now the gate's open, leave it alone. I walk away to water and you decide to come through, huh? Alright guys, a quick little spicy drink for the winter time. I'm taking all the Honeycrisp apple peelings that I have here for today. I'm going to be adding them back to this already sweetened syrup. And I'm going to add a touch of brown sugar, so I know it's going to be pretty sweet, but I'm going to add about maybe a cup of brown sugar to it. We're going to be adding 2 of our satsumas. It calls for an orange, but I have satsumas. We're putting peel and all. I'm going to open them up and space them around in there. We're going to be using organic cinnamon sticks. We're going to throw some of those in there. And for good measure, organic Ceylon cinnamon ground. We're going to add a little of this in there too. We're going to be cooking this and slowly just letting it simmer for a couple of hours. We have our cinnamon, our orange or satsumas, and our apples. And I'm going to be adding the brown sugar in a few minutes and just letting it simmer. If you want a nice warm drink in the fall, you just heat a cup of this up. It is an amazing spiced apple for the winter time. I have some small jars that I will be jarring this up in and putting in the freezer, and I take out one of the little jars as needed, and voila, apple spice for the whole winter.